Just like high-end smart homes, tech enthusiasts will love the AI personal assistant integrated into every corner of the motorhome. Whether you're adjusting climate controls, planning a route, ordering groceries, or setting a lighting scene, everything responds to voice or gestures. There are solar panels embedded on the roof and smart energy storage that automatically balances between onboard power and external hookups. Storage has been brilliantly engineered. Hidden compartments, underfloor drawers, rear garage space for bicycles, or even a compact ATV. Everything is sleek, efficient, and ready for adventure. It also features a retractable rooftop lounge with a sun, canopy, and convertible seating, ideal for stargazing or enjoying sunsets with a cocktail in hand. Cadillac's entry into the motorhome. Space is not just a surprise, it's a statement. They fuse the luxury of their sedans with the adventure spirit of RV, delivering a future-forward masterpiece that caters to tech lovers, road warriors, and luxury seekers alike. It's not cheap, starting at around $1.5 million. This motorhome is clearly aimed at the ultra-rich. But if you've got the means, there's currently nothing on the market that matches the design, innovation, and lifestyle experience offered by the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. It's not just about reaching your destination.